Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Byron and today we are learning about self-introduction with our good friend Chimpy the monkey. Say hi Chimpy. Hello everyone. So today we are learning how to ask people questions about themselves and then answer the questions about ourselves too. Are you ready? The first question is, what is your name? Hello, my name is Chimpy. What is your name? Now you say, hello, my name is... Very good. The second question is, how old are you? I am 5 years old. How old are you? You say, I am years old. Good. Now the third question, where do you live? I live in Chayapum. Where do you live? You say, I live in... Good. Question 3, do you live with your family? Chimpy, do you? Yes, I live with my mom and dad. How about you? Do you live with your family? You can say yes or no, and then say who you live with. Good. Question 5, what school do you go to? I go to Sunton Watana Patom School. What about you? You say, I go to school. Very good. Question 6. What subject do you like? I like English because it is fun. Very good. What about you? What subject do you like? You can say, I like because... Good. Question 7. What subject don't you like? I don't like math because it is hard. Good. How about you? What subject don't you like? You say, I don't like because... Good. And the last question, what is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is football because it is exciting. Woo! Very good. Very good, Chimpy. What about you? What is your favorite hobby? You can say, my favorite hobby is because... Good. Now it's your turn. So you have to ask Chimpy all the questions and then answer it as well with Chimpy. Are you ready? The first question, can you read this one? Good. What is your name? What's your answer? Good. My name is Chimpy. Question 2, can you read this one? Good. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Very good. Question 3, can you read this one? Good. Where do you live? What's your answer? Good. I live in Chayapum. good. Question 4. Do you live with your family? What's your answer? Good. Yes, I live with my mom and dad. Good. Now question 5. Can you read this question? Good. What school do you go to? What's your answer? Good. I go to Sunton Watana Patom School. Very good. Now question 6. Do you remember this one? Good. What subject do you like? What's your answer? Good. I like English because it is fun. Good. Question 7. Can you read this one? Good. What subject don't you like? What's your answer? Good. I don't like math because it's boring. Good. Now the last question. Do you remember how to ask? Good. What is your favorite hobby? What's your answer? Good. My favorite hobby is playing football because I can play with my friends. Very good. Very good, Chimpy. Now, take your time to ask all these questions one more time. Answer them by yourself, and when you're ready, you can go to your friends and family, your teachers, and your parents and ask them the questions. If they ask you back, you can tell them your answer. After you practice, I will see you in the next class where we can learn something fun and exciting together. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.